In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare assets by overlaying charts in TradingView. This skill can be incredibly powerful for traders and analysts who want to visualize multiple assets side by side and gain deeper insights into their performance. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView website if you haven't already. Once you're there, log in or sign up if necessary. After that, you'll be greeted by an array of tools, but our focus today is on comparing charts. To begin this process, open the chart that you want to use as your baseline for the comparison. This means selecting the primary asset whose performance you'd like to measure against others. With your baseline chart open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Here you'll find a small plus icon, which is your gateway to adding comparison symbols. Click on this little icon, often referred to as the compare symbol function. It may seem like a small button, but it's mighty in its ability to bring in additional data for your analysis. After clicking the plus icon, you will be prompted to choose the symbol that you want to compare to your baseline. Browse through the available options and select the asset or index you're interested in. Once selected, you'll notice that TradingView will overlay this secondary asset chart over your baseline. It's worthwhile to mention that you'll gain access to a percentage scale, a new price scale, and even a new pane, which all provide diverse perspectives on performance metrics to make your comparison richer and more informative. For clarity and enhanced visual readability, you can explore the various viewing modes available to display your data. Right next to where you selected the compare symbol, there's a candle icon. Clicking on it will reveal different view options such as bars, candles, or a line chart. Depending on personal preference or the specific analysis you are conducting, select a style that suits your needs best. Each type offers a unique perspective. Candles show open, high, low, and close prices, while bars and lines might offer a cleaner look for trends over time. Moreover, TradingView allows you to change the color of the overlaid chart for better differentiation between multiple assets. By customizing the colors, you can quickly distinguish different asset classes, which can be particularly valuable when managing several comparisons at once. And there you have it, an essential guide to overlaying asset charts in TradingView. With these tools and features at your disposal, you're now better equipped to gain a multifaceted understanding of market movements and improve your trading strategy. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.